Welcome to this release and recovery class. It's a short class to help you if you're feeling a bit tired, overworked, even burnt out. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's come in seated on your mat. If it's difficult for you to sit on the floor like this, you might want to bring a block or a blanket or a pillow and come seated on that so you feel a bit more comfortable. Closing your eyes if that feels comfortable, and just taking a deep breath here, maybe placing your hands on your lap or on your knees. And as you breathe in, take a deep breath in, allow the breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel your shoulders drop. Breathing in again, deep breath in. And this time as you breathe out, just feel yourself just letting go of anything that's not serving you right now. One more deep breath in. As you breathe out, just feel yourself relaxing. Body feels relaxed, mind feels relaxed. And if your eyes are closed, gently opening your eyes. Let's do some shoulder rolls one way. Just taking a deep breath in as you roll one way, breathing out as you roll the other way. And then the other way, let's take the shoulders, taking them in the other way. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. Breathe. And then just allowing your shoulders to drop. Then taking your hands to your knees. And then just breathing in and looking up, feeling your spine is arching one way. And as you breathe out, feeling your spine curving. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, looking down, curving your spine. One more time, breathe in, look up. Breathe out, looking down. And then coming to the center. And then coming onto the floor, lying down. Maybe you can use your blanket or pillow, placing your head on the blanket or pillow. And then just bringing one knee into the chest, just gently feeling a lovely stretch here. You might want to rotate your feet one way and then the other way, pointing and flexing. And then placing that foot on the mat, straightening that leg, bringing the other leg in gently towards you, and doing again some ankle rotations one way and then the other way, pointing and flexing the foot, pointing and flexing one more time, and then placing that foot on the mat, taking the other foot onto the mat, placing your hands either behind your knees or behind your calves or on your feet, and just moving from side to side. You might want to stretch one leg, then the other leg. You might want to stretch both legs. Just moving. This is called happy baby. Just having a little play here. And then just See if you can roll up. If you're not able to roll up, just place your feet flat on the mat and just roll onto one side and come to seated. Otherwise, let's do a few rolls here. Just gently, one more. And then you can either leave your hands behind your knees and just coming up like that, or you can just stretch here and then placing your hands here, stretch, 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 placing your feet down, crossing your ankles and your feet, and then placing your hands flat on the mat, coming onto all fours. And then breathing in and looking up, breathing out. I'm looking down, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down. One more time, breathe in, look up, breathe out, look down. You might want to go side to side here. Just really taking your time, moving slowly, moving at your own pace. And then coming to center, I'm going to do some rotations, real slow. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing in as you come back. Breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. One more time, breathe in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. And let's go over on the other direction. Just taking your time again, breathing in as you come forward, breathing out as you come back. It's really important to breathe deeply, because the deeper you breathe, the deeper you're going to nourish your organs, relax the mind and body, can also energize it when it's feeling really, really tired. So just going at your own pace, doing one more circle here. And then placing your toes on the mat, maybe bringing your hands forward a little bit, spread your fingers, and you're just going to push up. And then maybe pedal your feet here. You might want to move from side to side. Just taking your time, maybe come forward and back, just gently stretching everything. And then just taking one leg up, even bring it behind you, opening up the hips, and then straightening that leg and just bringing it forward into like a lunge, and then just stretching up and coming down. One more time, stretching up and coming down. Then taking those hands down, taking that front foot back. Let's take the other foot up. Bring it behind you, just stretching and opening up of the hips, stretching the leg forward, and then bringing it up. And again, breathing in as you come up, breathing out as you come down. Breathing in as you come up, breathing in as you come down. And then placing both hands down, taking that front foot back, placing knees on the mat, and then placing the feet, the back of the feet flat, and then just coming down here, just taking a breath. Really nice to do, to just let go, clear the mind, feel a lovely stretch on your back and your neck, breathing deeply. And then placing your hands flat on the mat, bringing them back a little, pushing up, Coming to seated, placing your hands to your heart center, closing your eyes if that feels comfortable to you. Right now you might feel a little bit more relaxed, even energized a little, feeling recovered from your day. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. If you enjoyed it, do share it with anyone that you feel may benefit. And I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.